If you struggle with eating gum and you want to stop eating gum as much, boy howdy, do we have the product for you.
It looks like cursed beans.
I don't know about this. Oh, wow.
That's so gross.
Oh, this could be horrible, but it could be great.
Thanks to Fiverr for sponsoring today's video.
So when we bought this DIY bubblegum kit, I thought we'd be making some tasty gum, eating it, seeing if it can blow bubbles.
I think that that's kind of boring, and I think it's way more fun to make things cursed. Like, why make normal gum when you can make cursed gum?
And I have to admit, I kind of agree with Katelyn. What's the point of DIYing the most basic thing? And then I had a thought.
Okay. That was on my list.
No! Our brains, they're connected.
Hot Cheetos mac and cheese flavored bubblegum.
I think this has something called bubblegum flavoring. What if we replace that with something a little bit spicier?
Did you pull this out of your butt, by the way? Where was it?
It was in my waistband on top of my butt.
This has been in your pants, is what you're saying.
Step 1. Unfold the wax paper. Place it on a smooth, clean surface.
Clean enough.
Step 2. Pour half of the powdered sugar on top of the wax paper and make a well on top of the pile. By the way, do you think this is a big enough wax paper?
It's what they provided in the kit.
I
don't think they would provide something that isn't sufficient.
Well, I mean, they only provided us, for the mixing stick, they provided us one popsicle.
Hello?
A single popsicle.
So this is kind of like making homemade pasta with a well in the middle.
And an egg.
You know what I just realized? I was just thinking about them being hot Cheeto flavored. It's gonna be hot Cheeto and sugar flavored.
Yeah, there's a lot of corn syrup in there.
And that's a huge pile of powdered sugar.
Oh my gosh, yeah!
So now we need to empty the gum pellet packet into the mixing container and add the flavor and the corn syrup.
I'm curious to see what the gum pellets are.
Me too, they are hard little pellets. I wonder, can you just chew this? Oh God. Yeah, this is just gum.
Oh yeah! Oh.
You ate one? Isn't that weird? It feels like wax.
It tastes like the end of a rubber eraser.
I'm gonna try something.
No, it's not gonna be enough. It's not enough, Katelyn. I will bet you $20.
Is that a challenge?
I'm feeling rushed.
That wasn't a bubble.
That was a bubble!
That was 2 bubbles.
Then you owe me $40.
Wow. Corn syrup looks a lot like resin.
It really do be like that. Okay, and the gum flavoring. Well, I'm down to try to eyeball
That amount.
this amount.
But of Cheetos. I think that this is gonna be, oh yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
that seems about right.
That seems like generous.
Yeah.
Smells
like Cheetos.
like Cheetos and cheese.
Which is also part of Cheetos. Microwave the mixture on high for 5 to 10 second intervals until melted. Stir between each interval.
Careful, it's hot.
Okay, 5 to 10 second increments.
Let's start with 10. Oh, how long has it been? 15 seconds, oh no.
Oh, you didn't put in 10?
No, 30 is easier. Okay. Oh, it's already getting stringy.
Is that the cheese or the corn syrup?
Both.
It looks like cursed beans. It's cursed beans.
Cursed beans.
It kind of reminds me of the Flaming Hot Cheeto Rice Krispies, to be honest.
Yeah, hopefully it's better. At first I was like, oh. And I was like, oh. And then I was like, huh?
Oh, I guess it's the gum itself breaking down.
Yeah,
that
yeah,
makes the most sense. Now that it's continued.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, because of the viscoelasticity. Because of the
The viscoelasticity?
viscoelasticity.
Oh. I
Viscoelasticity.
thought you were trying to say viscosity.
Oh, viscoelasticity. That's
You
what
said
makes.
viscoelasticity.
10 more seconds. Oh yeah.
Okay, 20 seconds in. The
Oh,
beans are melting.
this is getting very savory smelling.
Yeah, it smells.
It smells.
It smells tasty. I know looking at it that it shouldn't smell that way.
It
Like
smells,
something that
yeah.
looks like that should not smell Like Hot Cheetos.
So savory. It's so savory.
So savory.
The smell reminds me of a barbecue joint.
Let me get in there. Oh, it does.
What was that? We'll do 7 more seconds. I think that's done.
I think that's done too. It all looks pretty incorporated.
Yeah. Pour the hot melted mixture into the well of the powdered sugar mound.
It says like pour it into the well. I don't think this is gonna pour.
Pour? Yeah. How long do you guys have? You don't mind, right?
It's fine. We have time. They're watching this video, so. Oh, it looks like a big tongue.
I was about to say the exact same thing. It looks like a tongue with like mossy, weird stuff hanging from it. It's so much like a tongue.
The texture.
The texture.
It's gonna cool off before it pours.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, we gotta get in there and work it.
Do you want to just get in there?
I do. I really do. Can you hold this? You can use your hands, right?
Once it's cold enough.
I'm already here.
Okay. Oh, geez.
Oh, it's hot. It is hot still.
Oh yeah, so much working surface. It's great.
It's great.
Are you tasting the sugar?
Oh,
Aerated sugar?
I probably am working it into the air.
Yeah, right? That's weird.
Yeah, do we need our masks?
We can eat sugar.
But can we breathe sugar?
Can your lungs break down sugar?
How much powdered sugar can you put in your lungs?
That'd be a weird Google search. Or Bing, if that's your preference. I won't judge you that much.
I appreciate you trying to be inclusive.
Wow, Katelyn. I don't want to gross anyone out, but does that look like a slab of meat?
Definitely looks like a slab of meat.
Like it really looks
striations.
like a slab of meat there.
Yep.
Slap that on the Barbie. It's such an unnecessarily gruesome video. Just because
right?
of our commentary. We interrupt this cursed video to tell you about today's sponsor, Fiverr.
Fiverr connects you to freelancers that offer a variety of digital services, like editing, website creation, animation, finishing that Evan and Katelyn fanfic you started. Hello? Who wrote the script?
Anyways, we wanted to find help on Fiverr to revamp our 9-year-old website. We originally built this website back in 2013, back when we were young, baby-faced Evan and Katelyn.
So spry, so full of energy.
It's got hundreds of pages with all sorts of weird formatting, and it breaks. It breaks a lot. It's not like modern website providers that auto-update things. I installed way too many plugins, and it's always like needing updates, breaking, it's outdated, and it just doesn't make sense for me to spend all this time fixing it myself. Luckily, I found Savior Agency on Fiverr to help us totally revamp our backend and automate our homepage.
In the end, we are so happy with the website changes. It saved us a lot of time and it's way easier to maintain now. Plus, it was really easy to find a freelancer we could trust because Fiverr shows you their reviews and how much experience they have on the platform.
Head to fvrr.co/E&K to check out their services and get 10% off with code E&K. Knead until the mixture is smooth and will not absorb more sugar.
Yeah, we might be getting there.
Oh my gosh, it looks like a human heart.
It kind of does.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's one uniform mega gum.
Yeah.
Wow. Hello.
Ugh.
Hello.
Ugh.
I'm gonna move this aside and just start incorporate this back into one thing. And then I think it's time to package it into individual little
I want it to look like proper gum.
proper gum. See, they didn't, I thought that they were gonna give us like little parchment paper wrapper.
No, they said to use the wax paper. Luckily, we have some parchment paper.
I'm just realizing I've been kneading here without any protection. And though we do clean this table in between crafts,
You still
there's
never
been
know.
a lot of glitter and mica on here.
I find a piece of glitter in my gum.
Or your poop. Now, one thing we could do, now that we have a big piece of gum, I could kind of try to slowly stretch it out into a tube. And we could get a knife.
I think we should do that.
And we could cut it in little,
Yeah, I think that would look nice.
just like the classic, baseball bubble gums. You know what I
Yeah.
mean?
Hot dog!
Hot dog. So wrong. Don't film this. Don't film this. Don't film
It's just, you know, it's at an aspect ratio at which it's starting to look really
like a
not.
worm, like an earthworm.
Man, it really looks like a hot dog.
Don't film this. Don't film this.
Even if I stop, it's still on this camera. It looks bad both ways. I'm just getting the close-up action.
There's no way for this not to be wrong. But look at how uniform it's getting.
It's so uniform. It looks really nice. You're doing a great job.
Let me just change this end.
The tip was unfortunate looking.
Don't film this.
I mean, I need to capture you working.
This is what I have to do. This is what I have to do
I'm just glad it's
to
good.
avoid sticky situation.
You don't want it to stick. You need it to slide. I'm sorry. I don't know where to stop.
You know, videos really are the best way to learn things, don't you guys think?
I need these visuals.
I'm just gonna maintain eye contact for an uncomfortable period of time.
Reminds me of when we played that game, Plug and Play. Oh no.
Oh no, that was so cursed.
I mean, this is up there. I'll go get a knife and a
Alright,
cutting
cool.
board. Wow. Oh,
Look at that, actually.
I know. It looks really cute.
Look at that, wrap that with some paper right there.
Yeah.
That is a piece of gum. You know, pretty uniform. That's a pretty professional looking result right there.
Good rolling technique. It was worth the awkward shots.
I'm gonna wash my hands, let's wrap these up, and then it's time for a taste test. Thanks for your interest in Evan and Katelyn Industries' first candy product. Have you ever been out and about and you want a savory treat, but you want to keep it discreet?
Have you ever wanted to chew on Flaming Hot Cheetos forever?
This is the product for you. Flaming Hot Cheetos, bubblegum. Bubblegum. Do I want to eat the whole thing?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Huh. It's actually good.
Really? Really?
Mm-hmm.
Do you taste the cheese?
I taste the cheese. It melds nicely.
Okay.
A little bit of savory. Mmm. See that?
It mostly just tastes like the gum base.
Yeah, and it doesn't taste good, really. I was pranking you. It's not good. It's not that good.
It's bad.
But for like a fraction of a second,
I
right?
believed you.
I know.
And not just for a fraction of a second. The whole time I believed you. It's bad. It's so bad. It's not sweet enough, and it's also not hot Cheeto-y enough.
It's so not hot Cheeto-y. It tastes like ruined, spoiled candy.
It mostly tastes like gum base with a hint of Flaming Hot Cheeto. It is objectively bad.
But it's not the worst thing I've eaten.
It's not the worst thing we tried.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
it's not the worst.
My only regret is that we didn't add even more powder.
Hi, I'm back. Have you ever wanted your Evan and Katelyn Flaming Hot Cheeto Gum to be more Flaming Hot Cheetos?
Flavor blasted.
Oh, that's so disgusting. You're gonna show that?
It's fine. They can blur it if they
It
want.
looks like a creature.
This has looked like a creature the whole time. This is what I want. Okay, okay. I'm just gonna dab a little bit extra.
The last dab.
Coat it. Look at that nugget.
That now looks like a flaming hot Cheeto. It looks like a flaming hot Cheeto. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, it does look like an actual flaming hot Cheeto now. This is what it was meant to be all along.
All along.
It tastes like a flaming hot Cheeto.
Is it better or worse?
It's both. It has flavor. It's a little spicy. It has flavor. I like the flavor. I love flaming hot Cheetos. They are not meant to be this texture. They are not meant to be this texture. Doobie, is this inappropriate?
She's licking
Doobie.
She's licking the powder.
Doobie. Oh my god. You're weird. You're a weird baby. Cats like spicy foods? You really are my daughter.
I'm not looking forward to this.
No, you should do it. It's like, it's a flaming hot Cheeto now.
But the texture really, I'm really getting very uncomfortable now thinking about this. It was fine when it was like dry, but now it's like wet.
This
and
is it.
I'm like really almost like pre-gagging.
You're thinking about it too much. Pop it in.
I had to plug my nose.
Release. It's a flaming hot Cheeto. Oh, this is a chewy Cheeto. Well, what do you think of our first attempt at making DIY gum?
If you struggle with eating gum and you want to stop eating gum as much, boy howdy, do we have the product for you. Make this. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Cut. Bye.
Hey, Katelyn. Hey, Katelyn. Come in here. What is this?
Gum.
What is it specifically?
Flaming hot Cheetos gum.
What type of gum is it?
Bubble gum? Oh my god. Okay, yeah.
I'm so excited I get to try this again. It's really hard. But you can't just like start blowing bubbles with a fresh thing of gum. You really need to hydrate.
Yeah, work
oh my
it.
Gosh. Oh!
I'm gonna go for it.
That's it. That's it. That's all you're gonna get. Oh. Oh, thank you for taking one for the team, Katelyn. I did it too, but I was like, I just couldn't do it anymore. Oh, you got your bubbles. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.
Thanks again, Fiverr, for sponsoring today's video. Check them out at fvrr.co/E&K to check out their services and get 10% off with our code E&K.